Hello, let me introduce how to use the humidifier. This is the charger. This is the cable remote. This is the cable. The cable length is 1.2 meters. This one is 1.8 meters. Just firstly, here, just like this, insert the cable in the cable remote, and then insert here, then connect here. Okay, let's have a look. Wait a moment, please. Wait a moment, please. This one is already with water in, already have water in the water tank. Let's connected the charger here, and the connector, the cable here. This one, the blue one, you can adjust in the fog output from 20 to 300 to, you can adjust in the fog output from 20 milliliters to 375 millimeters per hour. This one adjusting the wind. Normally, let's have a look. Normally, when you use this as a humidifier, you no need, you just use the wind. You just use the lowest level. Lowest level is enough. And for the fog volume depends on how large of the room. Normally for around 15 square meters room, you adjust around half is enough. We tested for a room around 15 square meters. You can humidify the air from 30% to 60% within only 5 minutes. Yeah, this is adjusting the fog amount. Have a look. Okay, thank you.